on today's video I'm going to show you the easiest method that you can use to earn $1,000 on Digistore24 as a complete beginner. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you all the details that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your accounts on Digistore24. Once you create your accounts and log in, just come to the marketplace so that you can find products to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you can see there are a lot of different products that you can promote on Digistore24. So as a score, you can see this one right here, Metico. You can see the commission rate is 85%. That is $156.81. So that is the commission rate that you are going to be earning per every sale that you get. So as a scroll, you can see different products that you can promote on Digistore24 to earn money from home. So as you can see, a whole lot of different products. The products are into different categories. So any category that you want, you can promote a product under that category and you are going to be earning money anytime you get a sale. You can see animals and pets, you can see dance and music, computer and internet, business and investment. So the lists are many. So what you need to do is that you have to just click on any of these categories that you want so that you can get a product to promote. If you want to promote physical products, you can just come right here, click on physical products so that you can get different products to promote. This product is ranking number 1 on Digistore24 as a product that is getting a lot of sales. As you can see it right here, as I scroll down, you can see this product is also ranking number 2 as a product that is getting a lot of sales on Digistore24. You can see keto meal plan. As I scroll, you can see many of them. You can see this one here, tube mastering and monetization. This product, the commission rate is $217.64. That is the amount that you are going to earn per sale. As I scroll, you can see the products are arranged based on those that are getting a lot of sales. So what you have to do is that just select one product. In this video, I'm going to select this product right here, Metico. You can see this is my affiliate link. If you are new, you are going to see something like promote. So just click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Now once you get the product that you want to promote, the next thing is that you are going to find a traffic source whereby you can promote this link so that anytime you get a sale through this link, you can be earning a commission. So I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to get a lot of traffic for free without paying for anything. Once you have selected the product that you want to promote, the next thing is that just come to this website, pdfdrive.com. This website allows people to download PDF documents for free. You can download any book that you want under any category on this website for free. You can see no download limit. So any number of books that you want to download, you can download on this website for free. So what we are going to do is that we are going to search for a book that is related to the product that we are promoting so that we can use the book to promote the product. As you can see, this product is a weight loss product. So we have to search for a weight loss book so that we can use it to promote this product. So once you are on PDF Drive, just search for weight loss. Once you search for weight loss, you can see a lot of books that you can download for free on this platform. You can see this one is new right here. You can see another one. As I scroll, you can see many books that you can download for free. You are not going to pay for anything. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select one so that I can use it to promote the product. I'm going to download this book right here. So just click on the book that you want to download. Once you click on the book, you are going to see a page like this. Click on download. As you can see, it is checking right now. So once it's finished checking, you are going to just click on download PDF so that you can download the book onto your PC. You can see it is downloading right here. You can see the download has been completed. This is how the ebook looks like. As I scroll, you can see how it looks like, and it has 126 pages. As I scroll, you can see what is in the book. You can just zoom it to read. Once you have the book, now what you are going to do is that we are going to insert our affiliate link into this book so that we can give it away for free to people. Once they read the book, they can click through our affiliate link and then purchase the product that we are promoting so that we can make a commission on Digistore24. So the next step is that you are going to search for Cedar PDF editor. So once you search for that, you are going to click on the first website that you see here. Just click on it. Once you click on the Cedar website, you are going to see a page like this. This website allows you to edit PDF documents. So what we are going to do is that we are going to upload the book onto this website so that we can edit it and then insert our link into it. So just click here, upload PDF files, so that you can upload the book that you downloaded. As you can see, this is the book. Just select it, click on open so that it can be uploaded. As you can see, the book has been uploaded. So let me scroll down for you to see. You can see this is the book that we downloaded. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to scroll down. Just scroll down and then locate any page that you want. As I scroll down, you can see under this page there's a space here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to type a call to action here and then insert my affiliate link. So just come here, select text. Once you select text, just put your pointer at where you want to write the text. As you can see, this is where you can just type your text. So here you are going to type a call to action that can get people to click through the link. So right here, just type the call to action. Discover odd metabolism. So let me reduce the font size because it's too big. As you can see, just reduce the font size so that your text can enter. As you can see, that has been done. So just continue typing. Metabolism trick that melt stubborn fat. So just a simple call to action like this. Just delete this one right here. So we are going to drag it to the center right here. As you can see, that has been done. Let me delete this. Let me just add something like click here so that they can get the message clear. Click here to, I think this is okay. That has been done. Just drag it to the middle portion of it. Just drag it to the center. So let me delete this one right here. So now once you have your call to action, the next thing is that you are going to insert your affiliate link into this call to action so that the readers can click through it and get access to the product that you are promoting. So just come right here, select links. Once you select links, you are going to highlight the text. Just highlight everything. Once you highlight the text, you are going to see a page like this. You can see link to external URL. So this is where you are going to insert your affiliate link. So just go back to Digistore24 so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you come back to Digistore24, you are going to highlight and copy your affiliate link here. Once you copy it, you are going to send it back to your PDF. So once you come back, just delete the example link and then insert your affiliate link right here. Once that is done, you are going to just press enter so that this call to action will be linked to your affiliate link. As you can see, my affiliate link on it. So now once you have done this, you are going to click on apply changes, but I recommend just go through the whole book and then insert your affiliate links into it so that you can get a lot of clicks. So just click on apply changes once you have done that. Once you click on apply changes, you are going to see a page like this. Click on download so that you can save the ebook onto your PC. As you can see, it is downloading right here. That has been done. It has finished downloading. So you can now see this is the book. So as I scroll down, you can see this is your call to action. So if the reader just click on it, they are going to be directed to the product that you are promoting. Once we have edited the ebook, we are going to find a way to distribute it to a lot of people so that they can read it and then click through the call to action that we have inserted in the book. So you are going to upload it to your Google Drive so that you can then share it to a lot of people. So what you have to do is that just search for googledrive.com. So once you have a Gmail account, you can get access to Google Drive. Once you search for Google Drive, just click on go to Drive so that you can upload the ebook onto your Google Drive. Once you click on go to Google Drive, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, I have uploaded a lot of different documents that are shared with others. If you are new, you are not going to see anything. So once you are on your Google Drive, just come here, click on new. Once you click on new, select file upload. Now you are going to select the PDF file that you edited. Just click on it, select open, and it's going to be uploaded. You can see it is uploading right here. As you can see, the upload is complete. So the next thing is that you are going to find your ebook. As you can see, this is it. So what you have to do is that you have to get a link of this ebook so that you can share it to others for them to download it and then read it. So just right click. Once you right click, you are going to select get link. Once you click on get link, you are going to see a page like this. You can see currently it is restricted. So we want everyone with the link to be able to download the book. So just click on it. Once you click on it, select anyone with the link. So now anyone with the link can download this book and then read it. So once that is done, just click on copy link. So this is now the link to the ebook that you uploaded onto your Google Drive. Anyone who has a link can download it and then read it for free. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to find a way whereby we can share this link to a lot of people without doing a lot of hard work. To do that, you need to use the Gmail autoresponder so that it can automatically send this link to a lot of people who wants it, because it will take a lot of time and hard work for you to share this link manually. So the best way to share this link without doing any hard work is to use the Gmail autoresponder, because it will help you to send links to people who need it. You are not going to do it yourself. Anyone who will send a message can get access to the link and they are going to download it. It can happen at any time, and you know the people who want to read this book, they might not be in the same time zone with you, so it can happen at the time you are sleeping. So the Gmail autoresponder will help you achieve your goal of sending this ebook to a lot of people. So what you have to do is that if you don't have a Gmail account, just create one. Once you create your Gmail account and then open your inbox, you are going to see a page like this. Just come right here, select settings. Once you select settings, you are going to click on see all settings. Once you click on see all settings, you are going to scroll down to the bottom. Just scroll down to the bottom. So once you scroll down to the bottom, you are going to see something like vacation responder. As you can see, vacation responder off, vacation responder on. So I'm currently using it on a different product, but in your case it will be on vacation responder off. So select vacation responder on. The reason why you are doing this is that you want to set your email account so that it can automatically respond to people who will send you a message. So once you select vacation responder on, you are going to leave a default message here so that people who will message you, Gmail will automatically reply them with your default message. As you can see, you have to have your subject title, so just write your subject title right here. Once that is done, just write a default message here. You can see, please click link to get access to the product. In this case, you are going to say to get access to the book. So just simple as this. I have my link here, but I just want to demonstrate for you how you can insert your link into this text. So just highlight the text. Once you highlight the text, click on the link button right here, and you are going to paste the link to your ebook that you uploaded onto your Google Drive. So let me go back to show you more. So just click on copy the link. Once you copy the link, you are going to come back and then paste the URL right here. Once you paste the link, click on OK. So as you can see, this particular text is linked to the book that you uploaded onto your Google Drive. So anyone who clicks on this link is going to get access to the book that you uploaded. So now once that is done, you are going to scroll down, click on save changes so that the settings will be saved. As you can see here, this is my subject line. You can see vacation settings, so it has been set. Now what you have to do is that you have to get people to send you a message so that your Gmail accounts can automatically respond them with your default message. So now you are going to find the best way that you can do it for free. One of the ways that you can use to get a lot of people to message you is through Facebook. So you can use the Facebook group so that you can get the members there to send you a message so that your Gmail accounts will automatically respond them with your default message. So what you have to do is that just come on Facebook, search for groups related to the product that you are promoting. In this case, we are promoting a product about weight loss. So just search for weight loss groups. Once you search for weight loss groups, you are going to find a lot of them so that you can join. You can see I'm a member of this one, I'm a member of this one, I'm a member of this one. If I click on see all, you are going to see a whole lot of different groups that you can join. You can see I've joined a lot of them, as you can see. So let me scroll down for you to see I've not joined this one. So in your case, just click on join so that you can join. Just join a lot of them so that you can share this ebook to the members for them to download it. So as you can see, if there is any question, just select it and then click on submit so that you can be accepted to the group. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use one of the groups to demonstrate to you how you can share the book. So just select the group that you've joined. So in my case, I'm going to select this one right here, weight loss tips that really work. Once you open the group, you are going to see a page like this. There are two ways that you can use to give the book for free to the members. So I'm going to show you both ways so that you can use it to share your PDF document to the members. The first way is that you are going to come right here, click on files. Once you click on files, you are going to upload the PDF document that you edited on cedar.com, the one that you inserted your affiliate link into it. You are going to upload it onto this group for free so that the members can download it. So just click on upload file. So once you locate the one that you edited, click on open. So as you can see, we have a message here. So just type download this book for free. So just type something like this, download this ebook for free, something like this. Then click on post so that it will be posted onto the group. As you can see, it has been posted. The administrator will then approve it for the group members to get access to it. So you can see a lot of people are doing this. You can see different ebooks that people have uploaded. So your book is going to be approved so that the group members can get access to it. Once that is done, the next way is that you are going to come to discussing. Once you come to discussing, you can see write something. So this is where you are going to tell the group members that you have a book that help people to lose weight fast. As you can see, this is my message template. You can see tropical loophole dissolve 2.5 IBS in 24 hours. Would you like to get 100% free ebook? Then you are going to insert your title right here. I am giving it free to only 100 members. The rest will have to buy it. Act fast to get a chance. So something like this. You can see, kindly email me to download your free ebook. This is where you are going to paste your Gmail autoresponder so that when they email you, they can get access to the book. As you can see, this is my Gmail autoresponder. The next thing is that you are going to insert the title right here. So just delete book title and then insert the title of the book that you downloaded. So I'm going to just paste the title of the book right here. As you can see, that is the title of the book. So you are always going to have something like PDF drive. You have to delete that because that is not part of the title. Just delete it. As you can see, that has been done. So you have the title of the book, you have your message. So the next thing is that you are now going to copy and paste this message as your Facebook post so that you can get people to text you and then get access to the book. So just highlight and copy everything. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back to Facebook, click on write something. Once you click on write something, you are going to see a page like this. Just paste your message here. Once you paste your message, what I would like to add is that I want to add a quote that you can get people attention to this post. So what you have to do is that just find a motivational quote and then upload it here so that you can get people attention to this particular post. So I'm going to upload one for you to see. As you can see, my motivational quote, I am stepping into the most successful decade of my life. Just a simple quote like this because we want to get people attention to our post. Once you have your quote, your message, the next thing is that you are going to post it onto the platform so that you can get people to send you an email and get access to the book that you want to share. So just click on post. As you can see, it has been posted. It is now waiting for the administrator's approval. Since there is no link, the administrator is going to approve your post and it's going to be available to the group members, and they are going to send you emails and then get access to the ebook. Once they get access to the ebook, they will read it and then click through your affiliate link so that they can purchase it if they like it. So that is what you are going to be doing. You have to find a lot of different groups so that you can repeat this same step to get a lot of people to download the ebook for you to make money on Digistore24. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.